everybody, and in this video we were taking it back to the 90s with a bike check of my dad's 1991 BridgeStone MB-3 mountain bike. Let's get into it. Now, for the tires, he's got this Panorama Smoke replica of the original tire that he did have on his bike, made by Kenda. He's got another Kenda tire up here in 26 by 1.9. So relatively narrow. I want to keep his bike old school, so yeah. It's got rim brakes, you can tell. Pretty high-end rim brakes at the time. They still work really well to this day. He just put new brake pads on his bike. For the chain, it's got the 3x7, one of the original 3x7s ever made, actually. It's got the old school chain ring system. The specific drivetrain is actually quite worn, as you can tell. Still keeping good care of it, still runs fine. It's the Shimano Dior DX drivetrain. It's a very solid drivetrain. It's also got the Dior cranks, shifters, and brakes. A very, very solid bike. It's got the back rack, the Avenir back rack on the back, as you can tell, just for carrying things. This works very solid bike. No dropping posts, you can tell. He wanted to keep this thing super old school. So yeah, it's got a wonderful purple paint on it, old school. It's got some big scratches on it, which I like. It shows this bike's been through a lot of stuff over 40 years it's been around. Very, very solid bike. It's got the old school headset on here with the Ritchie stem. Originally, this bike had pretty much Ritchie everything. It had Ritchie rims, had Ritchie frame, Ritchie stem, Ritchie handlebars, Ritchie Logic front fork, and Ritchie Panorama Smoke tires. So, as you can tell, Bridgestone was sponsored by Ritchie when they made this bike. He's pretty much swapped everything out, except he's got one of the original Ritchie Logic forks on there in that wonderful purple, as you can tell. Wonderful fork. I love this bike so much. It's got the old school boat tiller stem on here, also made by Ritchie. It has to be at least as much. It has to be at least 4 inches long, which is it's the amount of suspension I have in my Trek Marlin 7. Wow, these handlebars are pretty tiny. Also made by Ritchie, so very, very solid componentry made by Ritchie in the 1990s. It's also got these Shimano brakes on the back. It's got the original paddle shifters where I actually had to pull them back to get the gears to go down, so very old school. This bike's kept this bike really original and old school, so I really like this bike. It's got 2 water bottle cages here. If you wanted to, you could probably put like 1, 2, 3, 4, like at least 5 bottle cages on here, not to mention this massive down tube if you had wanted to do so. There you guys have it, and thank you so much for watching this bike check of my dad's 1990s Bridgestone. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.